Hello friends, welcome again. Today we are going to study the unit number 1, correlation analysis. Under correlation analysis, the first content is that partial correlation. It is very easy when you understand the formula of partial correlation coefficient, then in easy way each and every student can score out of marks, nothing else. Okay. Partial correlation firstly means what? Firstly, correlation analysis. It is the study of degree of relationship between two or more variables. Means if two or more variables are correlated, and what is the degree of relationship in between these variables, we are going to study with the help of the correlation analysis and nothing else. I mean, in BCom level we are already studied simple correlation, means it in between two variables x and y. Okay. Now partial correlation coefficient. What? Partial correlation coefficient. Partial correlation, when three or more variables are related, but the study of correlation is done between two variables by keeping other related variables to be constant, it is called the partial correlation coefficient. Means suppose three or more variables are correlated, but we are going to study only the relationship in between two variables and by keeping other variables to be constant, that is considered as what? Partial correlation coefficient or partial correlation. If there are three related variables, like suppose age, height and weight of the group of people, they are denoted, suppose x and x, y and z, or 1 2 3 or a b c, like that. Three variables are there. In such case, partial correlation coefficients are, if there are three related variables 1 2 3, and then there may be three partial correlation coefficients. जर आपल्याकडे तीन व्हेरिएबल्स असतील आणि पार्शियल कोरिलेशन कोएफिशिएंट्स फाइंड करायचं असेल, पार्शियल मीन्स अंशतः सहसंबंध करायचा असेल, तर आपल्याकडे तीन पार्शियल कोरिलेशन कोएफिशिएंट्स तयार होतील. ते अशा पद्धतीचे असतील. Okay. Number 1. Okay. Number 1, small r. Small r means nothing but it is the symbol of a correlation. 12.3, it means what? The partial correlation coefficient in between first and second variable, and by keeping third variable is to be constant. So R12 means partial correlation coefficient in between first and second variable, and 0.3 means considering third variable is to be constant. The formula will be like this: R12 minus R13 into R23. R means correlation coefficient, 12 means the simple correlation coefficient in between first and second variable. R13 means simple correlation coefficient in between first and third variable. R23 means simple correlation coefficient in between second and third variable. Means here at BCom level you already studied the correlation coefficient in between x and y. Okay. Same is here. Simple correlation coefficient in between first and second means R12. Correlation coefficient or simple correlation coefficient in between first and third means R13. Correlation coefficient in between R23 in between R second and third means R23 and nothing else. These are the simple correlation coefficients. These are already given in the problem. because these are already studied at your BCom level, how to compute the correlation coefficient in between x and y. So 1 and 2 means x and y, 1 and 3 means x and z, 2 and 3 means y and z, like this. These are the simple correlations, and by using the values of simple correlation coefficient, we are going to find the partial correlation coefficient. What? Partial means what? There are 3 variables 1, 2, 3, and among these 3 variables we are going to study the partial correlation coefficient in between first and second variable by keeping the third variable to be constant. So here now second it is read like that. First one, partial correlation coefficient in between first and second variable by keeping variable 3 is to be constant. It is denoted as symbolically या ठिकाणी आलेलं नाही आहे, ते तुम्हाला पुढे फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये दिलेलं आहे. हे फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये आलेलं आहे. ओके, हे पहिलं आहे. नाउ सेकंड R13.2. R13.2 means what? The partial correlation coefficient in between first and third variable by keeping second variable to be constant. Then lastly third one, R23.1. R23.1 means partial correlation coefficient in between second and third variable by keeping first variable to be constant. Okay. Now third one, how the formula is to be developed, or we can how to learn the formula. Simply, this is the partial correlation coefficient in between first and second. So firstly you put the R12, right? Okay. Minus, then minus. After minus, remaining 2 means 1 2 खतम झाल्याच्या नंतर remaining 2 means 1 3 आणि 1 3 and 2 3. You put here in multiplication form. Okay, whatever 1 2 is there, you put first. Okay, after that minus, the remaining 2 you take into in multiplication form, then divided by under first root, under second root. Under first root 1 minus, in second root also 1 minus. Then whatever 1 3 you put here again 1 3 but square. अंडर रूट असल्यामुळे काय करायचं, स्क्वेअर. हे R23 आहे, या स्क्वेअरमध्ये या अंडर रूटमध्ये स्क्वेअर करायचं, R23 चा स्क्वेअर. लक्ष द्या इकडे पुन्हा एकदा. R12.3 means firstly take into account the 1 2. Okay, you take account the 1 2, right? 1 2 minus remaining 2 means 1 3 and 2 3 in multiplication form, divided by 2 roots. In first root 1 minus, in second root also 1 minus. 1 3 square खाली घ्यायचा, इथं 2 3 स्क्वेअर खाली घ्यायचं. लक्षात ठेवायचं कसा आयडिया, हे 1 2 समोर सुरुवातीला 1 2 असेल, हे तर सुरुवातीला 1 2 घेणे, नंतर राहिलेले दोन्ही घेणे गुणाकारामध्ये, नंतर भागाकारामध्ये 1 वजा पहिल्या अंडर रूटमध्ये, पुन्हा दुसऱ्यामध्ये सुद्धा 1 वजा, आणि हे R13 हे जे R13 आहे आणि 2 3 आहे ते नंतर गुणाकारात घ्यायचे. आता सेम फॉर हिअर. आता या ठिकाणी कसं आहे, 13.2 आहे, सो R13 पहिल्यांदा घ्यायचा, आणि बाकीचे उरलेले दोन कोणते आहेत, R12 आणि 2 3 गुणाकारामध्ये. नंतर वर्गमुळामध्ये 2 वर्गमूळ आहेत. पहिल्या वर्गमुळामध्ये 1 वजा R12 चा वर्ग, दुसऱ्या वर्गमुळामध्ये 1 वजा R23 चा वर्ग. ओके, हे लक्षात ठेवायचं आयडिया. नाउ थर्ड वन, R23.1. So firstly put the 2 3 minus remaining 2 R12 and 1 3 divided by first root 1 minus, in second root also 1 minus, R12 square and R13 square. ओके, हे असं लक्षात ठेवायचं. ओके, Okay, next. Partial correlation coefficients. Already we know the simple correlation coefficient between x and y variable. Variables like height, weight, sale and profit, marks in English and math, etc. Simple correlation coefficient is denoted by English letter small r. Here R12, R13 and 23 are the simple correlation coefficients. Now we are going to study the partial correlation coefficients like R12.3, R13.2 and R23.1. Calculation of or finding of partial correlation coefficients by using the formula. Okay. Problem number 1. If R12 is 0.5, R13 is 0.4 and R23 is 0.6, then find the R12.3, R13.2 and R23.1. Okay. There are 7 steps. Take into account. There are 7 steps. Then you will get the answer. Very easy is there. Firstly, we are going to find what? R12.3. R12.3. Okay. The formula is, firstly put the R12. Okay. Next minus remaining 2, R13 and 23 minus 13 and 23 in multiplication, divided by 2 roots. In first root 1 minus, in second root also 1 minus. Whatever 13 is there, you have to put here, but you take into account r square 13, r square 13, r square 13 and here 2 3 आहे तिथं. Okay, means just the first step is that only you have to put the formula. Step 1 what? You put the formula. Second, you put the values. Third, you have taken into account the multiplication and square. मल्टिप्लिकेशन आणि स्क्वेअर या ठिकाणी 4 आणि 6चा 0.4 आणि 0.6चा मल्टिप्लिकेशन घेतला आपण आणि खालचे स्क्वेअर घेतले. 4.4चा 16 आणि याचा 0.6 36.36 सर्व स्क्वेअर घेतला. त्यानंतर काय घ्यायचं? सबस्ट्रॅक्शन करून घ्या. इथं मायनस चिन्ह आहे, खाली मायनस चिन्ह आहे. सबस्ट्रॅक्शन करून घेतलं आणि हे उत्तर आलं. नंतर काय करून घ्यायचं? हे दोन गोष्टी स्क्वेअर रूटमध्ये आहेत, याचा स्क्वेअर रूट काढून घेतला. म्हणजे फिफ्थ स्टेप काय? स्क्वेअर रूट. नंतर या ठिकाणी ह्या दोन गोष्टी मल्टिप्लिकेशनमध्ये आहेत, त्यांचा गुणाकार करून घेतला. फिफ्थ स्टेप आहे, सिक्स्थ स्टेप आहे मल्टिप्लिकेशन. अँड लास्टली 2 things are there in division, so take the answer of division. The last step is there, so answer is 0.3546. This is the partial correlation coefficient in between first and second variable by keeping third variable is to be constant and nothing else. Likewise, we are able to find the